Welcome to Alberta, Canada, a land where the prairies meet the Rockies and the nature writes its own masterpiece every day. From the towering peaks of Canadian Rockies to the turquoise water of the Lake Louise, Alberta is a playground adventure seekers and nature's lovers alike. And here, wildlife roams free, elk grazing by the roadside, bighorn sheep on the cliffs, and the occasional bear reminding you that you are truly in the wilds. But Alberta isn't just about mountains. The Golden Prairies stretch endlessly, a symbol of Canada's heartland and farming heritage. In the cities like Calgary and Edmonton, you'll find a vibrant mix of culture, food, and festivals, from the world's famous Calgary Stampede to thriving arts and music scene. Whether you are chasing sunset, hiking trails, or simply enjoying the fresh mountain air, Alberta is more than a place to visit. It's a place to feel alive. So if you want to visit us, join us in our next adventure to Alberta. See you soon. Remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. See you soon here in Alberta. Bye-bye.